Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to get started with Blush AI Dating Simulator on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar type Blush AI and look for Blush AI Dating Simulator by the developer. Once you find it, tap download and wait for the installation process to finish. When the installation is complete, tap to open the app. On first launch you will be greeted by a screen displaying a selection of AI profiles. These are your potential chat matches. The idea is that each profile has a unique backstory and personality that you can explore through conversation, just like in a simulator environment. The app describes itself as a safe and fun place to practice relationship skills. On the main screen you will see tabs or icons that allow you to browse the available AI characters. Tap a character to start a chat. You'll see their image, summary of interests, and you can begin messaging them. The app allows you to customize aspects of the interaction. You can change settings such as the conversation style, the personality of the AI you chat with, and other preferences. For example, you may pick a character who is shy or outgoing, romantic or playful. If you wish to access more features, the app offers a paid plan. With the paid plan, you can unlock unlimited photos, voice chats, and other accessibility options. Thanks for watching.